favorite songs in any order, with freedom to skip forward and backward as much as you'd like. Your audio?
You are not here to be more digestible, to make other people comfortable. They can choke. Alam mo, totoo yan. Minsan, hindi ka nila kayang diktahan kung anong dapat mong gawin. Kaya binabago na lang nila yung mga kwento tungkol sa'yo. They will twist your words, make your mistakes bigger. They will paint you as the villain in a story they wrote themselves. At alam mo, minsan, mas masakit pa yon kaysa sa direct confrontation. Kasi walang ingay pero mas ramdam mo. Pero ito ang wisdom dito. You don't have to fight every story they make. Hindi mo kailangan itama lahat ng maling kwento. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung gusto ka talaga nilang maintindihan, sila mismo ang hahanap ng totoong kwento. Kapag pinilit mong ipaliwanag ang sarili mo sa lahat, mapapagod ka lang. Hindi mo rin mababago yung mga taong committed na sa maling version mo. So, let them talk. Let them believe what they want to believe. Let them choke on their own narrative. Focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Focus ka sa progress mo, sa growth mo, sa mga taong mahal ka at kilala ka ng totoo. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi nila hawak ang buhay mo. Hindi nila alam ang mission mo. Remember this, you don't have to please everyone. It's your life, it's your journey. And the right people, they will see you, the real you, without you having to prove a single thing. And the rest, let them choke.